Rua de Tomás Vieira, pata no chão, banana. Just walking around Macau, walking down Rua de Tomás Vieira. Streets of Macau, Rua de Tomás Vieira. Macau, walking down Rua de Tomás Vieira. Macau, walking all the way down Rua de Tomás Vieira. So many streets to explore, so many roads to go down, so much of Macau to see. Just walking around Macau, walking down Rua de Tomás Vieira. Streets of Macau, Rua de Tomás Vieira. Macau, walking down Rua de Tomás Vieira. Macau, walking all the way down Rua de Tomás Vieira.
Okay, we're in Rua de Tomás Vieira. So this is a street in Macau. There's some kind of from the bus. You can see this kind of beautiful yellow building right there as well. And then you can see I think it's General Hospital right down there. So it kind of goes down that way. And then down that way is this blue house. It's also kind of interesting too. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So that's our target street. That's that beautiful view again. And right over on this other side is this kind of interesting blue house. I think this is like a social housing house, but it's kind of pretty in its own way. But that's not going to be our focus street. Our focus street starts right here, and it's called Tomas Vieira Street. And it kind of goes near Tomas Hospital. Some beautiful trees. And this road is a one-way street, so it's a little bit, it's like not like some Macau, most of Macau is more like one-way streets like this, which are much more manageable. Check this beautiful colorful Mommy Holiday Bakery. Okay, and then we have a little Beco de Tomás Vieira as well. Looks like the Beco is down this way. It's a tiny little street. Oh, they're actually going to go down that street. And this is a tour group right here, so we're going to be walking by this tour group. Probably from So they all have little green and white on their shirts just to identify them. Sometimes they have to wear certain color hats, but I guess in this particular group it'll be a green and white little circle thing. Okay, so we're gonna be there's a lot of tour groups not too far from here at Sao Paulo Ruins, so they're probably coming up on the backside of that. So there's another tour flag right over there, the green Macau one. So lots of tour groups coming from here. So Tomas Vieira, let me see, I'm not sure which target street ours is going to be, but we're going to get into the sun a little bit. I will try to find continuation, but we have to go through a roundabout first. So we're in this little rotunda right here. This whole area, just kind of navigate this a little bit. We're gonna look for our continuation street. That's garbage right there. They beautify the garbage ones. And then Kyungwoo Hospital is right here. And then we are going to try to go this way, and we'll follow this little circle. Our street, Tomas Vieira, was let's get out of the sun a little bit here. I think our street was this one, I think, that one, I think. Oh, then Tomas Vieira continues down this way. So I guess I didn't realize that this actually connects quite like that. So our Tomas Vieira gets a little bit boring, potentially. This is where all the tourists are coming. So they all come directly from Sao Paulo Ruins, which is directly that way. And I guess our street just continues straight down that way. Lots and lots of crowds everywhere today. Okay, so we are going to stay faithful to our street. Check out that skinny apartment. And there's our street sign. Rua de Tomas Vieira. And then we have a little bit of a stretch that doesn't look so interesting at the moment, but we are going to walk by these. These are interesting late at night, so it's not like total waste. But there are some. Let's just kind of see here. Dog Inn. It's kind of a reference to a pet shop. Miko's. This is a wine, beer, sake. Made in Macau. Okay. And there's a few other kind of small little bars that are like kind of interesting like that as well. But they're open up in the nighttime, in the evening. Then you got this giant, massive tree right here, right in the middle of the sidewalk, which is kind of interesting in its own way. We'll just go right by that. Some bricks. And I'm kind of cruising along because the street is a little bit long and this stretch feels a little bit quiet. There's our target street right there. Okay, so it's kind of interesting. On one side you have all these apartments, some balcony kind of stuff, those little cage looking places, and then on the right is just a wall basically. And then these trees, they keep getting bigger. That one tree was so massive, right? So these will probably be massive when as they continue to grow as well. We're gonna look back at our Sao Paulo Ruins up this hill. I think we might be able to see the back of it, but to get some nice business establishments. It'll get a little bit more interesting. But up there you can see Fortaleza. So a lot of the tourists are going up to Sao Paulo Ruins, and then there's Fortaleza, where it's a beautiful fort. That's our target street right there. This is our target street straight ahead as well. There's some interesting stuff around this way as well. Okay. Some nice places to sit right here. And then I think he also saw some of this to beautify some of the trash components, which is nice. This one's referenced after the firecracker factory, which is in Taipa. I think there's more, so there could be a different location as well. Taipa is another part of Macau, which has quite a few. It's kind of cool, these buildings like that. Okay. So we'll keep on walking down. I'm on this side of the street where there's no cars parked, so it's nice. Somebody has their pants hanging right there. Maybe it's connected to this shop. And then over here, this goes down into these little alleys. This is Rua da Aguia. So there's like this little spaces throughout this little area in here as well. We'll just continue going. And I think this concludes. It's another nice balcony up there too. Huh. I'm gonna walk across one to get out of the sun. Okay, so that's our Chaka Street that we're walking down. We'll keep on walking around in here. Here's a bakery. Let's keep on walking down. We have a nice little park to the left in a moment. Right there. All the birds are going up. Okay, looks nice. And then we have these little side street things down this way. Like this one goes so there's a little community down this way. And that's the Target Street that we're just on right there. I might end up walking down in that a little bit. Some exercise equipment. Another little space down that way. Oh, got the Joker right there. That's on our street as well, so I'm gonna walk over there and film that, and as soon as these cars go by. Okay. It's kind of cool. Oh, the sunlight is a little bit bright right in there. I wonder if that's Huda Rosa. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down. A little bit bright on this side. There's electrical antiques. Electricos antiques. Let me just kind of walk across this real quick until this car goes by. Artigos. Oh, electronic components and stuff like that. I thought that was antiques. Okay, so our street's going to come to an ending fairly quickly. Let me just see here. I'll walk into the middle of the street. I want to capture that artwork on that side a little bit. Create Studio. Pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down until we get to the end. Little street called Moscow Lane. Some interesting little communities down here. Our street's a little bit. It's another art studio that just passed. Okay. So we're gonna come to an ending here. That's nice black and white tiles, and it goes around the Sapala ruins. There's also a beautiful park here. That's kind of a nice building too. And then this is basically where we are ending up. And then you got some nice balconies all the way up there as well. Very cool. So that's our Target Street right there.